In a sun-drenched neighborhood, young Mohammed Hussein joyfully bounds along the street, radiating innocence. His small hand grips his favorite school bag tightly, cherishing every step on his way home. Suddenly, a stumble breaks his cheerful rhythm, the bag slipping silently from his grasp. Unaware, Mohammed continues his journey, leaving behind his cherished possession. The school bag lies abandoned on the street, a silent symbol of innocence lost in a fleeting moment. Mohammed Hussein skips happily forward, completely unaware of the precious object left behind. Bathed in the gentle glow of home, Hussein collapses into sobs, his body convulsing with sorrow. Little Mirha kneels beside him, a beacon of innocence and compassion in the dimly lit room. Her small hands reach out tenderly, wiping away the tears that streamed down Hussein's face. In a moment of pure empathy, Mira offers solace. "It's okay, Hussein. We will all look for your bag together." The room embraces them in a cocoon of unspoken comfort, a sanctuary built on the foundations of familial love. The morning light fills the room as the family bows in prayer, a moment of serene devotion. Mirha gently guides Hussein through the prayer, her voice a soft whisper to the heavens. "Ya Allah, please bring Hussein's bag back, Amin." A knock shatters the morning quiet, interrupting their sacred ritual. The door opens to reveal a kind old man, a beacon of hope, holding Hussein's lost bag. Hussein's face lights up with pure, uncontainable joy as he exclaims, "Allah heard my prayer."
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.